so small from up here. Okay, I see it though. It's on the roof. Yeah, it's on the roof right here. So if we go down to this street here, we can watch for it. You see it? It's here.
Oh God, it's actually on the roof.
Yeah. So if we go here, maybe it'll fly down to us. Oh, because the wind starts as soon as we get here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. These walkways are really nice.
I like the Croatians in it.
Oh yeah. Not a bad life, pup. That's hilarious. It's like a model dog. This dog is loving this. So cool. What's up? Good morning. How are you? I'm in one of the most beautiful and underrated countries on the planet, I think. This is Croatia. And this country's been through a lot of problems the last 50 years. A lot. And I'm actually honestly very surprised at how optimistic the people are. They just switched to the euro. So for them, things are more expensive. And I think they're hoping more tourists start to come this way. And they should. It's an amazing place. It's easy for travel. And I'm super impressed. This beach area is just, I don't know, 3 or 4 minute walk from where I'm staying. You can see the islands across from us. So that's another part of Croatia that most people don't really consider, that along the coast they have all these islands. You can take a ferry to go from one to the other, a little boat. And as you see, like over here, there's little towns stretching up and down the coast. It's actually, you should notice, a perfect place to go swimming. Look how clean the waters are. It's the Mediterranean, but like right on, right? So at the moment, I'm staying in a couple dorms for the last few days, and that way you get to meet people from other countries, hang out, talk about things. And in my room, we have somebody from China, somebody from Germany, somebody from Japan, and then from the United States. And so I thought, well, we've had a good time talking. Like, they're the nicest people, and it's funny because our whatever's making a big mess right now. But like, I don't know, for the people to just hang out and talk, and we were, talking about Shanghai, and like that's somewhere I'd really like to go. I don't know if I'm allowed at the moment. I'd probably have to ask permission and go through some kind of a process, which would be amazing. But we're all hoping, everybody we talk to, this stuff will end soon so we can kind of go back to being as we were, friends, and just traveling together and not worrying about what the bigger picture is doing. I was talking to a friend of mine, and they made the opposite route that I did. So they're starting in Albania, Montenegro, then up to Bosnia, and arriving to Croatia. I'm actually going the other direction, or at least that's maybe, we'll see what I do. But what I was told is that, when you're in Albania, you can still feel a lot of the Soviet influence, and it hasn't changed nearly as much. And as you make your way closer to Croatia, you find that a huge amount of European influence. To me, this isn't so different from Malta or, like, honestly, even Italy. It's just that it's, in my opinion, very easy travel. It's lighter on the wallet. And instead of having kind of big famous towns that everybody's used to, here you have all these little I wouldn't call them villages, they're cities, but they're all up along the coastline. Zadar is a beautiful place, but for as well known as it is, it's honestly quite small. So if you walk along this way here, you'll make your way towards city center. There's a cool entrance up ahead. As I said, it's kind of a smaller town, so once you've been here a week, you really get to know your way around really well. It's comfortable, it's quiet. For a traveler, it doesn't get any better than this, man. Not really. It's like a real vacation here. We're getting ready to walk through the eastern gate to the city. Just head on straight through to the city center. It's cool as heck though. Like, every corner you turn, this place is just amazing. Beautiful. Like the old worn floors. Love the stonework. I like everything about it here. Walking into city center, it's been raining the last couple of days, so all the flowers are blooming. It's warming up. Sun's finally out today. So that's so nice, because after 2-3 days of rain, when you travel, you kind of run out of stuff to do. These ancient towns are amazing. There's so much history. So much has happened here. What a very peaceful and lovely city. This is Zadar. I know I said it earlier. It's actually, this whole coast of Croatia is one of the very best places I've ever traveled. It's a place that I don't think my friends would ever consider to visit if they didn't know, if somebody didn't tell them. Yeah, I know that as far as travel destinations, this isn't that uncommon. There are more and more people coming to the Baltic area. If you watch some of my other videos though, you can see I travel a lot of places that people just don't consider, but they should. Somebody forgot to finish chiseling the stone that they were working on. Long time ago, I was visiting quarries, and so this is machine made, but they also do a lot of it by hand still around the world. That just happened to catch my eye. I thought y'all would find that interesting. They even got the chisels inside of there. Is that like a drainage or something? Anyway, this is the direction we're going now. Through here. I'm not gonna lie though, I'm quite surprised by how quiet it is here. And I know it's early in the season, but still, I was coming from a much busier part of the world. It's a solid gem of a place. Up and to the right, they have a sushi, a fish festival, and I've kind of been poking in and out of it and stopping by the last couple of days. Kind of wondering what this is a door to. You can see somebody opened it up. Well, stick the camera inside, see if I can see in. Okay. I guess it just is a tunnel going through. All right. Interesting. I don't know if it's old. Like, I think parts of it are, and I think parts of it were repaired. It's too bad they closed it. It's kind of an ominous, creepy hole in the wall. I think I'm gonna go inside of. Oh, there's a railing. Oh, I don't know. Maybe. Probably people's. Oh. So we're not gonna do that. Nope. That's all right. This would be such a fun place to own one of these little boats. I mean, not for me. I'm not a boat guy, but I got a few friends who would love this. What a wonderful place to walk. It's gonna rain in a couple of hours. Got music going. It's cool. Yeah. A lot of these boats have little Croatian flags on them. It's a cool looking flag. I think it has a lot of symbolism within it. Somebody told me that. This is the bridge to town. But I kinda wanna go check out the yachts before we do that. Got a little walk ahead of me to get there. About 10 minutes or something like that. Windy today. You they got tons of boats here. These are like little luxury ones. They got some pretty big ones back over here. There's a dock over to my left and forward. They have some huge boats over there. I'm gonna walk there now, but I have a feeling it's private, so I might get yelled at. Actually, here you can see down. It's probably 2 meters deep, maybe more, 3. It's like 10 feet almost, 8 feet. Man, you can see right to the bottom. I don't think I've ever been to. This is one of the cleanest countries I've ever seen. Actually, this little gem is about, I don't know, 20-minute walk from where I'm staying. It's a great park. It's like, oh wait. You know, it's just such a beautiful green space, open. All the sailboats are cool. I just realized a minute ago that they're all sailboats. Yeah, it's kids playing. It ain't half bad in Croatia. That's quite cool. That's a name you don't see too often. Name of one of my very favorite people in the world. Windy day here. Look at that boat though, that's wild. The winds have really picked up at the moment, man. That's something else. It's cool how it has